Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a week's worth of outfits using my capsule wardrobe for the winter of 2022. If you've been following for a while, you know that ordinarily I have a more structured, dressier wardrobe. I was really sick of being cold in the winter, and I just wanted to be comfy and cozy this year. So the items in my capsule are different than they have been in years past. I have one dress. I do not have a bunch of collared button-up shirts like I ordinarily would. Everything is just cozy and comfortable. I wanted to switch it up this season and see if I got more use out of my items. I also did not want to go out and buy a bunch of new things. I think that I purchased one t-shirt, one pair of joggers. That might be it. And let me tell you, if you are going to purchase anything from my capsule wardrobe, I recommend these joggers. I have shared joggers in seasons past. These are the MVP. They're by Vuori. They are expensive. They're 100% worth it. I like that they are just more tailored and less boxy than most joggers are. Plus, they are so soft. I don't know what the fabric is that they use for these joggers, but they're unreal. I have two of them in this season's capsule, and I also had two pairs in last season's capsule. The black I carried from fall into winter. I put away the green for next year and will pull those back out and replaced the green with this burgundy color. They are so great. I think that I shared them 2 years in a row in my men's Christmas gift guide, and decided to finally just buy them for myself. They have different men's and women's pairs, but these are just hands down the best joggers that I have ever had. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Let me go ahead and show you the outfits that I wore over the course of the last week. Today's outfit is very casual. All I'm doing is running to the grocery store. I worked this morning. I have a ton of stuff I need to do around the house to prep for a holiday gathering. It's not at my house, but I have to make some dishes and stuff. So that is really all that I have on the agenda for today. I am wearing a green oversized boyfriend tee from Aries, a cardigan from Target. They don't have these cardigans anymore. I ordered one during the fall that was their current iteration of this, and it was not as good. It shrunk a ton, so I'm super disappointed. When this wears out, I'll have to find something comparable, hopefully at or around the same price point, but that's a bummer. These are the Vuori joggers in just solid black. They don't have any of the heathering like a lot of the joggers from Vuori have. And then my shoes are just a basic pair of sneakers from Cole Haan. I'll flip this around here so that I can show you my accessories. First of all, isn't my, how do I point to it? My tree in my bedroom, it sparks so much joy. I love having this thing in here. I go to bed super early, so I feel like I don't always get to fully appreciate all of my Christmas decorations in the main part of the house. But by having this little one in my bedroom, I still feel like I get that like twinkly Christmas tree light magic at the end of every night. Super cute. Anyway, accessories. I have this vegan leather bag. This is on sale right now for $20 on Amazon. I got mine at TJ Maxx, but I did find them on Amazon. They have them in, I don't even know how many colors, so many different colors. But I have them in this kind of cognac brown color. My nails are just a neutral brown as well. Gold hoop earrings, Apple Watch with the leopard band. I'm not wearing a necklace today. Same silicone ring I always wear. Though I am looking at one of those smart rings that tracks your sleep. I don't know, they're so expensive, and then you have to pay a monthly fee on top of it, so I'm not totally sold on the idea yet, but I have been eyeing it. I can't remember, Aura, I think is the brand that I was looking at. My husband was looking at them too. He also said that there's bracelets. I don't like wearing something on my wrist, so if I'm gonna do something that tracks sleep, I know my Apple Watch could do it, but I'm gravitating towards the ring because I think that'd be the least irritating. Anyway, makeup is just foundation, mascara. I filled in my brows with eyeshadow, the same palette I always use. I did my lip liner, the Charlotte Tilbury one, and pressed powder. That's it. So no eyeshadow, no contour, no blush, no lipstick. It's a very, very, very basic makeup look today. And my hair, I just ran the flat iron through it, though my hair broke off right here. So that's looking a little scary, but I have to get some hairspray to kind of get that to lay down so that I don't have like an alfalfa sticking out the side. Anyway, here's today's outfit. Super casual, super comfy, super cozy, but also works for me to get all the things on the to-do list done for today. Today's outfit is this oversized sweater from Aries, my 25-inch Align Lululemon leggings, and black Cole Haan sneakers. Plan for the day is just to go to my sister's house for a very low-key holiday gathering. My accessories, I have this bar necklace, gold hoops, Apple Watch, silicone ring. That's it. My makeup is like as glammed up as I get. I have actually applied eyeliner today, which is, you know, I'm getting fancy when I put on eyeliner. My hair is just kind of partially curled, straightened on the ends. That's it. Super laid back day of just spending time with family, but I feel like I'm put together enough and still super comfortable. I thought I would switch it up today and start with my makeup, hair, and accessories, and then show you the outfit. My sister yesterday at the gathering that we were at was talking, she was telling her husband she really wanted a tennis bracelet, which had me thinking, I have a tennis bracelet, and I don't know why I never wear it. My husband bought it when we very first got married, so like 10 or 11 years ago, and I've probably worn it a handful of times. It's always on just special occasions if we're going out to dinner or something, but why have it if you're not gonna wear it? So today, it complemented my other accessories, so I don't know if it shows here. I am wearing my little tennis bracelet. My earrings are diamond studs. These are also a gift from my husband. This necklace is a gift that I received for being a bridesmaid in a wedding. So I thought that I basically have one pair of gold earrings, one pair of diamond studs with silver accents, one silver necklace, one gold necklace. This might be the only bracelet that I own. Oh, and I also have a set of pearls and pearl studs, but I lost the backs. So I need to get that replaced so that I can wear stud earrings, the pearl studs. I'm going off on a tangent here. Today, this is what I'm wearing for accessories. So necklace, earrings, tennis bracelet. My makeup is very simple. I have thought I should probably add some blush so that I have a little bit more color to my face. And I tried to tightline my eyes today, which I'm not very good at, and ended up getting eyeliner all over the tops of my lids that I had to clean off. So, but this is the makeup. My hair is just dry shampooed from yesterday, and then I pulled it half up, half down. This is the bow that I have. Hold on a minute, honey. Love you too. This is the bow that I have in my hair. It came from Target. I got it a couple years ago. I can't decide if it makes me look like I'm 5. So another thing that I don't wear very often, but I thought it was cute. So I am celebrating that inner child today. And wearing the bow that it looks very like cheer-esque or like a toddler, but I still like it, so I'm wearing it. Outfit today, guess what the plans are. So my husband's home today, kids are home. They have been outside all day, but I assume at some point they're gonna come in and we'll probably run some errands. Nothing really hardcore on the agenda for the day, but I did wanna be ready to go if that's what we decide to do. Oh, I'm gonna show you these too. I've talked about these before. These are my slippers that I'm wearing today. They're so great. I love that they are peep toe. These come off Amazon and they have a hard sole so I can go outside. Let me flip this around, go to the mirror, and I'll show you what the outfit looks like. Here is the outfit. Now, this is the only dress that I have in my capsule for winter of this year. And this dress is definitely not very flattering. It's super boxy and doesn't really do anything. I know that I look like I have one giant boob and it's not really defining my waist at all, but it is very warm and I can always layer a pea coat over the outside of it to kind of give myself some waist and definition, but it checked the comfort box. So that's why I decided to put it in. And plus I feel like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Today I'm wearing it with just a pair of leggings, same Lululemon leggings from yesterday, and my slippers. I would probably just throw on a pair of the black Cole Haan tennis shoes if I was going to be leaving the house. Or I might also wear, let me grab them. I have these driving loafers from Oliver Cabell that, all right, we are getting ready to leave. So I thought I would show you what the going out outfit actually looks like when it's put together. This is my Calvin Klein pea coat. And then I am wearing it with the driving loafers, which, see, I feel like this is better with the coat. It kind of makes it look, my waist look a little bit more defined. And I think that these shoes dress up the outfit a little bit. And even though I'm basically wearing a sweater dress and leggings, feels like it looks a little bit more polished and put together and a cute outfit to just go out. We're gonna go to lunch and run some errands as a family. Today's lounging around the house outfit is this black Athleta hoodie, Yori joggers, and my go-to slippers. My husband's watching a football game, so it's very loud in my house right now. Continuation of the casual theme that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. I just have not been feeling like dressing up. And that's all right. It doesn't really change my disposition if I'm wearing nice clothes or if I'm wearing casual clothes. And right now, I'm primarily staying home. So casual clothes is just what I feel like wearing during this season of life. This hoodie, I love. It's so warm, so cozy, layers really nicely underneath of a down jacket. I'm wearing the same gold studs. I just slicked my hair back into a high pony and added some texture spray. Makeup's very simple. And I did change out my watch band. I went with the plain black watch band. Same silicone ring, no necklace. I might paint my nails to something that's more festive, but they still look good. I do not like to go through the process of doing my nails if they don't look like they need to be done. So probably just gonna leave them as is, even though it's not very festive. And that's it. Not going anywhere today. Just gonna listen to them scream at the TV while watching football. Today has been a little bit chaotic. My husband woke up and he was pretty sick, so he's not working today. I'm sure at some point today he'll work from bed. So I will later on when he's awake take a pano of my outfit, but just make sure that I probably won't talk. I'll just insert an overlay of what the outfit looks like. I am working today. I'm doing a quick pickup of an item for a holiday gift. Let's see, makeup is very basic today, just foundation, pressed powder, filled in my brows, lip liner with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and mascara, gold hoops, gold bar necklace, same Apple Watch band. I didn't end up painting my nails. These are actually, I'm going to talk about these in a different video, I think, but they are like the little paper. It's like tacky nail polish papers that you can put on top of your nails, and they stay on forever. They don't chip. I will say that they're pretty hard on your nails. So if you're used to doing like gel polish, which I used to do all the time, it's not that hard on your nails, but it's definitely harder on your nails than just painting them. But I am really loving these. I'm not very good at painting my nails. I never have been. I'm not patient. I don't wait for them to dry long enough. I end up smudging them. So these have been a great alternative. And I've had these on for over a week, and you can see they're still, my nails are starting to grow out, but they're not chipping or anything, which is unheard of for fingernail polish, for me anyway. My hair, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it here. My hair is up in a claw. I'll have to see if that actually showed it, but it's a gold claw that came from Target. I've had it for years. I like it because it matches my gold jewelry. And outfit, I am wearing the green cardigan. This came from Target as well. Again, they don't make them like they used to, so they're not this good of quality anymore, but I do like this color. I think that it's perfect for the winter. My t-shirt is just a white crew neck boyfriend tee from Aries. Leggings are the 25-inch Lululemon Aligns, and my sneakers are my black Cole Haan tennis shoes. Today's outfit is a work from home day. I am wearing another Aries boyfriend tee. This is just a black crew neck, Viore hoodie, Viore wine burgundy colored joggers, and the same black Cole Haan sneakers that I have been wearing for the majority of the week. Makeup is the same as yesterday, just foundation, pressed powder, brows, mascara, and lip liner. Still the polish is going strong. I have my hair up the same as yesterday. I will actually properly turn around so you can see what it looks like. Might be looking a little crazy back there, but I love this gold colored clip. Same earrings, same necklace, same watch band, ring, and that's it. Just working from home all day today. Might do some meal prep later. Everybody in the house is feeling a little under the weather, so I think that I'm gonna make a huge batch of either chicken or turkey soup. We have like 3 turkeys in our freezer, so I might see about doing like a bunch of turkey broth, and I don't know. I'll make some sort of soup for dinner tonight. I am also editing 2 videos today, which is kind of unheard of since I only post 1 video a week right now. Editing 2 in 1 day is not normal for me, but we're going to be out of town a ton during Christmas, so I want to get ahead and have most of my videos done for the month of December before the month gets away from me, and then I'm not able to even get up 1 video a week. So working on that today. That's about it. If you haven't already seen my video showing my entire capsule wardrobe for winter of 2022, I'm going to put a link to it right here. You can click on that. It'll direct you straight to the video, and you can see all of the items that are in my capsule wardrobe for this winter season. I hope you are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.